A funny face? What's yours?
A girl with a bracelet.
Really?
Who?
And what's your name again? I didn't get your name.
Caesar Kahari.
And your name?
Caesar Nia.
All right. And your name? Soy. And you're getting ready to install your artwork
Mommy,
of that.
birthday teacher.
Wow.
For my show this
And
weekend.
you have a show this weekend?
Yeah.
What's your show?
My show is called Diarrhea of the Mind.
And my daughter.
And it's just an explosion of
My
art.
daughter.
You're really
This is PR for you. This is going on Facebook for your history.
Oh.
With your bip duke.
Do not fight with the artwork.
Do not fight with the artwork.
This is my series.
All right.
And,
Yeah!
All right. Thank you.
say thank you.
Thank you. See you next time. See you next time. Bye-bye.